slider that has more decimal points. This way you can make it a little bit smaller, but unless you're doing residential, which is 7 3/4 height, you can keep it here at 6. Now it also depends on your units, but I'm just showing you all the steps here. Now here's the thing. So now we've got the surfaces moved up progressively by 6 inches. So what we need to do now is extrude it by the same amount. So extrude, direction, in the Z direction. But this time we only need to extrude them all by 6 because since they've already been moved up, we can plug in the 6 into the Z vector and then extrude those. So if you've seen the last video, you saw that what I did to create the structure for this is create the stringers to be on the outside. And then that is what covers what the steps look like. Now at this point, we can go back